Foundation repair. Knowing what to expect with payments before you sign anything can seriously save you from headaches down the road. So, first off, always ask about the payment schedule. Like, do they want a deposit before they even show up? Usually, a 20 to 30% deposit is normal, but if someone wants you to pay everything up front, that's a red flag. Next, check if they offer any financing options because foundation repairs can get pricey, and spreading out payments might make it easier on your wallet. Also, get everything in writing. No one should be making you guess when and how much you owe. Don't forget to ask if there are any hidden fees or extra charges that might pop up later. Surprises here aren't fun. Before work starts, make sure you understand what each payment covers so you don't pay for stuff that isn't done yet. If the contractor's payment terms seem vague, or they avoid giving clear answers, that's a major warning sign. Lastly, keep copies of all receipts and contracts because if anything goes sideways, you'll want proof. One of the biggest mistakes with foundation repair payments is agreeing to pay the full amount up front that can leave you stuck if the job isn't finished or done right. Fix that by insisting on a clear payment plan with milestones tied to work progress. Another common issue is not getting a written contract that spells out payment terms and project details, which leads to confusion or disputes. Always demand a detailed written agreement before any money changes hands. A third problem is ignoring financing options or just assuming you have to pay all at once. Lots of legit contractors offer payment plans, so ask around and shop smart to find one that fits your budget. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't mess you around. It also gives contractors a way to find real work from people who actually need their skills, making the whole process smoother for everyone.